Hello everyone, this is Prince 117005. Just want to make this video concerning some of the things that are happening um, about boxing, um, and what's happening in the boxing community here in YouTube. Um, I was idle for 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks now. I'm trying to observe or analyze the situation that are concerning, especially concerning the beef between 50 Cent and the debate that are going on, especially amongst the black communities about Floyd Mayweather Jr. So um, I guess I made this video to share an Asian view or opinion about the matter, because most of the videos that I've seen is mostly came from Americans. Some are Europeans, but most of them are black um, people who have a YouTube channel here. So first of all, I would like to apologize uh, for because I'm not that fluent in speaking English, so I'll try my best to express what I mean, or I'll try my best to for you to understand what's my take on the matter concerning Floyd and beef with 50 Cent. So here goes. First of all, when TMT promotion was first I've seen when I first seen it in the some of the articles here in the internet, boxing article here, boxing site here in the internet. I basically said to myself that this could be a good thing for boxing. Another promotional company to compete with Golden Boy and Top Rank, and we also saw it's been very well documented that especially on the 24/7 that Floyd Mayweather Jr. and 50 Cent are good friends. 50 Cent is a successful rapper or a businessman, entrepreneur, um, and I think, in my own opinion, Lloyd is somewhat a good businessman also in his own right. Um, Especially when he part ways with Bob Arum and get all the and be the boss of himself. But I don't think that he's totally the boss of himself, because he have a lot of advisor and people who are surrounding him. But we'll get to that later, okay? What I'm trying to say is, when I saw a video regarding the TMT promotion, I said to the Money Team promotion, I think I said to myself that I hope the friendship or the relationship of 50 Cent and Floyd Mayweather is solid as a rock. 'Cause when you enter this kind of business, um, there will be some problems along the way, especially financial problems. When two people are running a promotional company, of course, not all of the time they will have the same view or opinion or decision. So I said to myself that I hope they survive those trials or those problems that they are going to face, concerning about handling the TMT promotion. But I was right, because I think um, when Floyd Mayweather Jr. was released from jail, um, uh, there was rumors that Floyd Mayweather Jr. can't part ways with Al Haymon, so um, and creates a business partner with 50 Cent. So that's it. That's basically how it started. To the TMT promotion fell apart, and there's some rumors, especially a video about 50 Cent having an affair with. There were rumors, while Floyd was in jail. 50 Cent was having an alleged affair with Miss Jackson. Um, First time that I saw one of the videos where 50 Cent was with Miss Jackson, um, and having a picture with him, and then Floyd Mayweather was on the other side, and then somehow Floyd Mayweather Jr. was snubbed by both 50 Cent and Miss Jackson. So the impression of the fans was they maybe 50 Cent was having an affair with but that's just what the fans are implying or thinking of that matter. But in my own opinion, I think it might somehow be the case, or somehow um, affected the relationship of 50 Cent and Floyd Mayweather Jr. Now, going to the debate that is going on, especially between the black communities, in the boxing community here in the YouTube. They're debating how good the resume, how good the accomplishment of Floyd Mayweather Jr. Is, and is he considered an all-time great, and what position is he in the all-time great list? So me personally, I'm a Floyd Mayweather fan, believe it or not. I was branded being Asian, I was branded way back for having some opinion about Floyd Mayweather Jr. Not necessarily bad opinion, but I have some critics or observation about Floyd, that his inactivity inside the ring, and his the cherry picking that he's doing with his opponent. Some of the people here in the YouTube boxing community, they branded me instantly as a factard. But that was the trend 3 or 4 years ago. When you support Pacquiao, you instantly become factard. If you support Floyd, you instantly, the Asian community will say that you are a promo. So, but the debate goes on. Personally, I think Floyd is the best boxer of this era. I think he can defeat anyone from today. I think he can beat anyone from 147 to 160. That's my opinion. The first fight that I saw that had me impressed with Floyd Mayweather Jr. was with Arturo Gatti and Diego Corrales. I saw the Castillo fight. I thought Castillo won that fight. Um, uh, you know, Floyd Mayweather Jr. is have the best skills, all around skills. When you were talking about sweet science, he have the best skills, par none. But all I'm trying to say is he could be better. He can do more in the sports. He can do more about his legacy, for his legacy. You know, I saw some videos saying that Floyd Mayweather Jr. Should have fought some some better competition while he was moving up in weights. I agree to that. He should have fought more times in a year. I mean, how many fights did he have? He had for the past 5 years. I think just 3 or 4 fights. Um, you know, this is what my problem with Floyd is. He's not giving much a more importance for the fans. He's not doing. He's always saying that he loves his fans, but he don't give the fight that the people wants to see. So the same thing that with Pacquiao. There are things that are going out in the media today that Pacquiao is willing to to budge, or to change his position to accept a lesser purse of the fight. He's been vocal today by saying that somehow Floyd is avoiding him. But I'm not saying this because I think that Floyd is scared of Pacquiao. All I'm saying is that these two guys have been holding boxing hostage for quite a long time. Uh, Floyd was number one in the pound for pound rankings, or top two, top three. Um, but how can you consider him as number one fighter if he's only fighting once a year? I like one point of one YouTube channel that I've watched earlier. I know that Floyd Mayweather Jr. Have Doc, Costa Su, Margarito, Miguel Cotto on his prime, Paul Williams, Agriberto. I know. I've been telling people that why did he fought a 140 champion in the likes of Ricky Hatton? It's a money fight. Why did he choose Oscar De La Hoya? It's for money. Why did he why didn't he fight Margarito when he was his best? Cotto, and now, I think personally, Floyd Mayweather Jr. beats Manny Pacquiao. The Manny Pacquiao that fought Juan Manuel Marquez the third time. The Manny Pacquiao that fought Timothy Bradley. That Pacquiao would be destroyed by Floyd if ever they fight today. So but here's the thing. The experts, the media, the fans think the same thing, that Floyd Mayweather had the advantage, or have the advantage of defeating Pacquiao. They're actually 90 or 99% that if Floyd just pot shot Pacquiao the whole fight, he could easily win. As elusive as he could be, he could easily win against Pacquiao, by points, and then prove the critics that I'm the best pound for pound fighter today. See, but why is it the fight isn't happening? In my own opinion, Floyd sees something in Pacquiao that makes him not sure of defeating this guy 100%. He's not sure. I'm not saying he's scared. I'm just saying that there's something he see in Pacquiao that makes him wonder if he can truly defeat this guy easily or 100%. Otherwise, I don't know why the fight isn't happening. Now, if we're talking about resume, I'm not being biased, but I'm just saying, telling what I feel. There are a lot of boxers that are far more have more impressive uh, resume than Floyd Mayweather Jr. I can say Bernard Hopkins have a better resume than Floyd Mayweather Jr. Manny Pacquiao, those guys. They fought better opposition. They fought more Hall of Famers boxer. So that's it. Both these guys, Pacquiao and Floyd, are on their way out of boxing. Um, and I can't wait. I still want to see Floyd in the ring. I still want to see Pacquiao in the ring. But if they don't perform or they don't fight as much as they can do in the ring, I say they should retire. If they don't fight each other, they should retire. Give the other boxers, the up and coming boxers, a chance to prove themselves, to take the throne, to change the landscape of the boxing world. So that's it. Um, in my opinion, uh, there are black people here in the boxing community in YouTube that are just expressing their feelings or opinion about certain fighters, especially on towards Floyd Mayweather Jr. They're being critical, but it doesn't mean that they are hating or they're ranting. They're just saying that I mean, what's the word? I mean, they're so disappointed because Floyd can do much better. He's claiming that he's the best boxer ever. Um, he's the best boxer in the history of the sport. But his resume, his inactivity inside the ring, his antics outside the ring, he's an a-hole outside the ring. That's my own opinion. So I'm a Floyd Mayweather fan. I think he beats Pacquiao, but he can do much better to be more. I mean, for his legacy, so that people would, without a doubt, put him in the contention of being the best. I mean, I followed boxing for maybe 20 years or 15 years. Um, uh, but all the fighters that I've seen, they have different skills, different talent. Um, when I see Floyd, I think he have all the potential to go up against any fighter of any era. But his decision, his cherry picking, and his the way he handles his career right now, I think he's making it worse, or he's not making his legacy better to have a more argument of being the best boxer in the history of the sport. Last, um, I like one YouTube channel said also that this is YouTube. YouTube is a way of expressing our own opinion on the matter. It's a way of expressing. It's a way of sharing your opinion. For me personally, I don't intend to please anyone. I just want to share. I want to tell my side of the story, my opinion. So whatever the other people think of my videos or my comment or my opinions, they have the right to criticize my video. They have the right to, but the important thing is, I love the sport, and I get affected when something happen in the, good or bad, the sport, and I like just expressing my, I'm one of the few Asians who are truly involved or truly affected on I'm not just a fan of one boxer. I'm a fan of the whole sport as itself. Give Even though there's a lot of bullshit or BS, or politics going on in the sport of boxing, I love the combat. I mean, the when someone enters the ring, um, and risks everything inside the ring, they put everything on the line. The discipline that the boxers show in training, um, it gives me respect to them, and put it on the, everything, and when they fight inside the ring, and they show everything, um, sweat, blood, you know, they perform well, they show the fans a good fight. That's the reason why different nations come together and show their love for the sport, you know. That's my opinion. This is Prince 1170 Survive out.